What is up, guys? It is Flink Jet Ski here with Gamer J Bork. We're playing some basketball here. You see the hoop, right? Yep. Alright, here we go. Check it out. He gotta get his hands out of his pockets.
It's kind of cold, and I don't want to win
It
another.
is extremely cold, bro. It's like 25 degrees out here.
It was literally like yesterday. It was like.
He's gonna put on gloves on so he can actually use his hands. It
I'll
is
put on
freezing.
one glove. You want
It was hot yesterday, dude. No, put on both gloves. Put on both gloves.
Why?
Hey, you don't want both gloves?
No, I want to.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I'll put on one. Is that on left hand? Oh, yeah.
Right. That's the reason why I took left-handed one.
What the frick? I got my shot back, guys. That was a 3 for sure. Alright, 3-0.
Yeah, I'll take it.
Bro. That was nothing like that, too. That was a flash. That was in front of the camera. I think the camera saw that, too. Alright, 3-0.
I just saw a bird. That wasn't even an air ball.
He never took up. I got a ball.
I do want another glove, but like.
It's a little hard when I shoot from that range because of the wind. It is cold and windy out here. I still 3-0.
It was literally yesterday. It wasn't like 60
Yeah, it was like literally 65 degrees.
There's no amount, remember?
Yeah, no, no.
Oh,
Oh, he's literally fast. That's 2 to 3. Look, how fast.
right, that was so close. Hit rim.
Yeah.
Well, I'm on defense. I'll wear this.
Oh my gosh, I can feel it in my hand, dude. Holy shit.
I think
I have to drive.
I can give you a pair of other player gloves. We can pause it. It's too cold.
Third. The little post up hop step move. 4 to 2.
I think my hands are warm.
So it ain't cold. You have to jump. That's how I have to squat off your elbows. You're gonna put that glove back on.
Bro, because it's so cold. Why did
It's so cold out here, dude, guys.
everyone was saying it was nice?
It's cooler than that day at night in the winter when it's really snowing.
I know.
It looks like it's like 80 degrees, but it's like literally 20.
You can go.
Okay. Dang! Oh, what? Oh, okay. It's 5 to 2.
You gotta keep the gloves on.
Yeah, I literally cashed from the corner. You should go back to the corner. So shoot. Oh my god, what? Dang it. So 5-2. Go to the corner again, go to the corner. He's like half in the corner. That was a 1 though.
Yeah.
5 to 3. Oh, that's the corner, dude. He's not ass. And 1. I score primarily off his air balls. I have 3 buckets off his air balls, bro. I only have a home 3 and 1 legitimate 2. He has one air ball. So I'm telling you, go to the corner every time. Hold up. Oh!
Hurry.
Kevin Durant there. Was that 7 or was that 6? 6 to 6.
There's 3, right?
Yeah, 6-3.
Or the 7-3.
Yes, sir. It's 8-3. See the cash money? I think I might have been the winner of the bucket. Oh my god, air ball. See, when I air ball, it goes out of bounds. But when you air ball, oh, that's right, there is no out of bounds. You can put
Oh yeah. We get check out.
Oh, you want to check out?
Oh yeah.
Go to the corner, dude. I'm just trying to let it go in the corner. Yeah.
Wait, there's no out of bounds. Well, you should be.
I have 4 points off his air balls.
I got you with the. We're gonna play pig, but he's gonna have both next time.
If he doesn't, if he, I'll try to get the shot, dude, because it's so cool. Okay, yeah, it's. Oh my gosh, it's such a good shot. I think that one I might have been in the way, but I did catch that. Five points on those air balls. I have 10 points, right? Yeah, half of my points come off of Gino air balls. So if you legit start airballing, I think if you make it, even if you just stop making airballing, it's probably pretty good.
Hit the ball! Oh my gosh, that was the worst sequence of basketball I've ever played.
I can't even get a board. He's using his tree as a screen. I can't even feel my toes. Oh gosh.
Here we go.
This is game point, right? How many points? 1 point. I have 11.
13.
Alright.
Game point if he hits 3. That's 8.
I think it hit him, so.
Oh, here.
Oh, dang it.
Bro, who was looking? Over there. Oh, he's embarrassed for that.
1 point away from winning. I can't feel anything anymore. Can't feel my toes on my hands. So I'm sure I can actually shoot the ball.
You can't. He doesn't can't shoot the ball. It's up.
That's game.
It's up. Wait.
I think he scored 3 points.
Redemption.
Alright, if he shoots this ball, then I'll get probably 1 more point from him. But he misses, so it doesn't matter. What does that shoot? He sucks so bad. I think you guys watch this video. I can literally not feel anything. Alright, there you go.
Wait. I'll finish mine.